Today we are making 2 meals in one on the Blackstone to make everyone in the family happy. We are making chicken bacon ranch lettuce wraps and tacos. I have the griddle over medium-low heat. Normally I use medium, but we're starting with bacon. And I like to do my bacon a little more low and slow. I cut this bacon using my kitchen scissors just into bite-sized pieces. So my son and I like lettuce wraps, but my husband prefers flour tortillas for the tacos. So that's why we're doing 2 in 1, but it's an easy switch to make everybody happy. Do you hear that? You're difficult. I'm going to cook the bacon for about 2 minutes just to render out some of the fat, and then that way we don't need any cooking oil for the chicken. Because really, what's better than chicken cooked in bacon fat? 1.5 pounds of diced chicken thighs. Just right in with the bacon. And the Blackstone Parmesan ranch seasoning, or any ranch seasoning. And we'll just kind of cook this and mix it together on the Blackstone for about 8 more minutes. While that's cooking, I'm just going to dice an avocado. I like mine topped with avocado. That's a pretty one. They're not always that pretty. The last thing I'm going to do is add some ranch dressing. Just kind of eyeball it, maybe like a 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup, kind of just depending on how much you like. Oh, it looks so good. Throw the tortillas down just to warm them for a second. I'm going to build the tacos first because you want to let the chicken cool off a little bit before making the lettuce wraps. So I have the chicken bacon ranch mixture in there. I'm just going to top with lettuce and cheese for him. And you could add any other toppings that you want. So I went ahead and separated the leaves out of the head of Boston lettuce. I'm going to do just a little bit of cheese. My son might add more. And then some avocado. So now everybody's happy at dinner. We have chicken bacon ranch lettuce wraps and tacos. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. That's perfect.
I like the fresh from the lettuce wrap.